Ngibonani, ngithemba ukuthi niphilile. Ngizo-addressa something engiphatha kabi at this point. I just got, I don't know, a message from a friend. Ungibuza ukuthi am I working at Eskom yini? Of which angi-understandanga at first, but uthena ngena ngale ku-YouTube ucinga ukuthi kuthiwani ngawe. Uma ngena Mkosi Entertainment, I think, and one other YouTube channel is reusing i-content yami and uthi Eskom worker. Welondi ngiyacela leya video, it's either uyayisusa noma ushintsha i-tag kuyo. I don't mind the reuse of my content, but I don't want the misuse of my content. Ngoba kuyi-misuse i-content yami lokho ukuthi unginike i-title engayazi. Mina angihlobene ngisho ukuhlobana no-Eskom, angazi ngize ngi-apply mhlambe ngisho uku-apply mhlawumbe uma nganga-apply mhlambe ngangiseyingane ngisakhula. Mina what I shared here was not, I don't have i-paperwork engizothi ngiyayiprove. Mina I just explained to you ukuthi tender process ihamba kanjani. Of which the thing is general knowledge, ungayigooglish ukuthi kubhidwa kanjani for i-tender, ama-departments ano procurement. Even people in the comment section aba understand leyo nto, they co-signed yonke into ebengisho. Understand? Leyanto leyana njengoba ngichazile from the beginning of the video ukuthi I don't understand how it happened. As per my general knowledge, this is what I see happened. I understand? It was just statement. Exercise nami freedom of speech yami. Nami ngi-analyze into esematheni. But ku-wrong ukuthi ningi-misrepresent babhemu. And ungibeka nje engcupheni kakhulu, impilo yami niyibeka engcupheni. Angisebenzi khona, angazani lutho nakhona. And I never thought, I did have such fears ukuthi people are gonna misconstrue, abantu who are gonna misuse i-content yami, and kuzongiphoqa ukuthi page lami ngilawule futhi ngifaka amanakuzana ama-control measures ukuthi ningakwazi ukuyithola i-content yami. And that was not the aim. Mina la ku-TikTok generally ngangizele nje to raise i-general consciousness yabantu abamnyama. Uma kuwukuthi lokho kuzongikhandela izitha engazazi, engahlangene ngisho ukuhlangana nazo futhi engenawo ngisho ama-powers okuyi-defender against, nakhona isono yini, ngishare nje general knowledge. It's just that vele what is common sense is not common to everyone. But Londi ngicela uyisuse le nto yenze lapha ku-page lakho. Bonke ama-content creators who are reusing my content, please keep integrity ye-content yami as is. Ningangi-misquote, ninga-edit, leave my content as is. Futhi ningayicut. I do not work for Eskom. I've never worked for them. Futhi nakhona nkosi yami, no offense to Eskom. Angiyilwi mina nama-companies. Mina nje bengiyididikusela, ngiyihlanyela, ngiyikhulumela ne-audience yami yabantu abangibukayo abayinkeshezana. Ku-unfair ukuthi ningilabelishe, ni-reveal. Nakhona futhi wouldn't it be a breach of contract on my end? Uma kuwukuthi uTelkom ngusebenzela njalo Eskom ngusebenzela ngempela, and now mina as an employee sengibreach i-contract, automatically ngizoxoshwa phela. That's non-disclosure. You cannot disclose izinto ezenza ngaphathe ekampanini. Ehlelani ngenzansi babhemu, lungisani le yanto. And ngempela sizoxabana abantu mabesebenzisa i-content yami kanjeyana, and ni wrong ngoba nibeka impilo yami engcupheni kungenasidingo. Can you believe it? Noma shuthi umuntu akawuyeki ku-TikTok. Hawu.